What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a beautiful sunny day out here in the beautiful Cannes. Now this is a place in south of France that I absolutely adore. It's one of these places where I can come and check out all the beautiful sights. And I mean, this place is beautiful. You gotta check this out. Look at that beach right there. Nice big yacht. It's a bit of a windy day, as you can see. Now, I had to tell you why I'm in Cannes. So I haven't done a video in a little while because unfortunately the last month I got in an accident with a scooter, an electric scooter, and I got hit by a car, an SUV BMW, one of those electric ones, and it hit me at 45k T-bone. And so that I was in the hospital. No broken bones, no cuts, no scratch, some whiplash, and other than that, you know, I'm safe, I'm good to go. And right now, I'm on my way to pick up a nice new helmet. So you gotta have a helmet. First, I'll take you for a little drive down here in Cannes along the beach. Let's go for a little ride. Now it is 2 days before Christmas, so I mean, you can see that you got a lot of people playing beach volleyball, and yeah, it's a beautiful day, so let's go check it out. Have a look at this setup right here on the beach. I mean, wow, this is epic for getting a setup for a beautiful day here on the beach. But I mean, come on, man, like, that's incredible. Merry Christmas from the beaches of Cannes. Have to chill out right next to the Performante Lamborghini here. What a beautiful Huracan this one is. Have a look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Have a look at how cool that is. What a beautiful sculpture that one is for here in Cannes. I mean, come on, that's pretty cool, right? Giorgio Armani, and I'm gonna go have a coffee. And this is what it's like to have coffee here in Cannes. And it's a beautiful day, the sun is shining, and I'm gonna sit down, enjoy a beautiful cup of coffee. Right here, Armani Cafe, with a view, with the scooter and the new helmet. But what a view I'm gonna have. Let's see what Giorgio Armani's got for coffees. Wow, even though we got the hurricane winds, on a day where the temperature is about 15 degrees, 2 days before Christmas. It's a lovely spot to just come soak up that sunshine and really get that vitamin D in you, because everybody needs a bit of vitamin D when they're chilling in the south of France in the Mediterranean. So I just want to say to you guys, I'm gonna have me a nice cup of coffee. Hopefully it's gonna be good right here at Giorgio Armani Cafe. that wind. Alright guys, so we're looking at a nice tall cappuccino with one little square. A nice shot of chocolate top with the caramel. Let's watch that go down. Oh, that looks good. I should have done a design on it, but it's pretty fancy for me. So, let me tell you, it's a nice spot to just sit and relax. And I'm gonna enjoy this nice cappuccino. Alright.
It's not stupid in the slightest bit, it's just where like there's this small portion that is very
oh, that's
small,
good.
but the rest is
Oh, that's just pure caramel. I don't know if you can have a look at this, but oh my god, pure caramel. We're talking some of the finest coffee right here. Now look at that caramel just going in there. Oh, that's what we're talking about. Pour it all in there, giving it the best looking volcano of caramel. Yeah. Just a little bit around. Well, that's gonna be good. I've almost layered it to a point where, yeah, I can't wait to have this cappuccino. For this, we're gonna be saying either good or bad. Let's mix that right through. A little lick test. Here we go. Cheers, guys. Oh, that's good.
and then the week after I'm planning
Well, guys, I've had my cappuccino caramel latte. So good. Now I'm gonna go explore a little bit here of Cannes and see what I can see, but I definitely recommend, if you're ever in Cannes, come to the Armani Cafe. I just wanted to say Merry Christmas from the beaches of Cannes on a beautiful sunny day. Have a good Christmas.